Hello and welcome to Tom's Toolbox, and also welcome to Motion Industries Distribution Center. That's where we're doing our demo. I'm your host, Tom Clark, and I'm going to show you how Rust-Oleum's Insta-Patch can repair a crack or small hole in minutes. You know, cracks and holes in the ground are not only a safety risk, but can also damage machinery such as forklifts, carts, virtually anything that moves. And long downtime can get expensive with typical patch and repair products. Insta-Patch is a two-part polyurea that, once it's poured, can handle forklift traffic in as little as 15 minutes. Now, it can be applied in cold temperatures down to -5 degrees and comes in both gray and tile red for food and beverage facilities. So, ready to see how we're going to patch this crack in the floor? Of course you are. All right, I'm going to put on my safety glasses. As you can see, I've already got my gloves on and we're ready to go. Now, you want to make sure you always wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for. Now, in front of me, I have Insta-Patch parts A and B. I've already shaken both of these containers vigorously for several seconds. You want to make sure you do that. We're going to measure out equal amounts of part A and part B. Then, I'm going to combine them together. Now, we're going to quickly mix the two for about 15 seconds. Prior to doing this, I made sure that the area was cleaned out of all debris. Then, I'm going to pour the solution into the crack or the hole. Here we go. I'm doing about 1 1/4 cups of each. Once we start this now, it's only going to take about 10 or 15 seconds for this to start to harden. So I've got to get it down in the floor real quick. Now, we're going to let that settle. Overflow is okay because if that were to go over the edge, all you have to do is grind it down later. Now, you're going to notice that the liquid is initially a black color. As it cures, it is going to turn into a concrete gray color. So now we're just going to wait for about 15 minutes. We'll wait for it to dry, and we're going to check back in. All right, well, our time has passed and everything should be cured. Let's do the quick field test. Oh, yeah. That is definitely dry. I need to see a forklift drive over that. As you can see, it is ready to go. It's ready to handle traffic, especially from a forklift. And it can also be tapped into. Now, this is a great solution for keeping your facility maintained and in working condition, as well as eliminating potential safety risks and downtime. Well, we hope that this helps you with your facility maintenance needs. That's going to do it for this edition of Tom's Toolbox. As you saw, I had on the appropriate PPE today. I had on my glasses and my gloves. Make sure that you always do the same as well. And you know what? You can find more tips from Tom's Toolbox at mihowto.com. Thanks so much for watching. Oh yeah, that is hard as a rock. Maybe twice as hard.